Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are looking at Dixie on a daily time frame. As you can see, we are coming into that 103 area and finding resistance. Today's daily close being above 102.50 is very, very important for us. We will finally claim this blue EMA, the white line that I drew, the trend line. But the EMA is more important. Opening and closing above it gives us the opportunity to actually get into that 103 and above 103. After today's close, a little bit of pullback into the close of the week. I would not be surprised if we consolidate between 102 and that 103 level. But next week, I'm looking for continuation into that 103 and above. So as we consolidate here, you'll consolidate on your other assets. But as we put in that high, you're going to put in the lows on Bitcoin, ETH, and tech. And seeing a reversal from there would be a logical thing next week. So next week, we will see how we consolidate around this 200 EMA and we will look for potential upside or not. And as I gave you guys the targets in the last video, you can see as we're coming up into this consolidation area, what we're doing on the monthly on Bitcoin and ETH, and possibly continuation up is coming for those if this gets its resistance at 103 and starts pulling back into 102 or 101 before a continuation breakout, like if it makes this shoulder over here all the way onto the 102 before breaking out like a nice little inverse head and shoulder here, then we can look for upside to come as we make that right shoulder. And once the shoulder gets completed over here between 102, 10, like 101.80, but 102, then we can look for that breakout continuation, like right through that 103 into that 105 and higher area. So just be aware of that moving forward. Um, yeah, that's basically all I have for you on Dixie. Let me go to Bitcoin. Do you remember 29.2 or 29.3 was a major, major level for us for a long scalp? If under that, we were looking at like 28.4, I believe. It went up a little bit because every daily close is still holding this level. You can see this bearish engulfing candle right here. Continuation to the downside today is very, very possible, but you are looking pretty flat right now. If you can hold 4 hour open and close above 29,250, I would be looking for us to test into 29.5, 29.6 before another rollover. And if that 4 hour closes engulfing this previous 4 hour candle, then obviously I'm not looking for downside and I'm just looking for a quick reversal right to 30,000 and then maybe even 31.5 or 35, 30,500, and then we can fight this inverse head and shoulder consolidation at this level before looking if we're going to take the breakout move to 31, 32 or not. And that is coming alongside Dixie consolidation, bear flag consolidation. I mean, everything looks good for some upside. We have basically just cooled off all the oscillators. You got a nice buy off the 100. Even if you get back to this 100, you can take this long opportunity. But until you get a daily close underneath 28.5, I wouldn't be concerned with the lower levels. We were always looking for this level over here, okay, around 28.3, 28.4. So, I mean, we got what we were looking for. Now it's time to consolidate and run it up. If you come back into this area of 28.5, the possibility of consolidating all the way down into 27.3 is there. So don't not assume that this BART situation can't play out. All right, well, other than that, we got ETH. Let's go look at ETH on a daily. I didn't even go to a 4 hour because today's Thursday. There's going to be selling in the markets. USA just got downgraded in credit. You're going to see a little bit of fear and panic as China rolls over too. So a little bit of downside is to be expected. Over here, you can see this little head and shoulder distribution pattern that I've been saying we've been playing out. We're finally breaking out underneath the 100 EMA opening and closing. That should drag ETH down with it if we actually do take that leg down into under 1800. We were looking for this 1800 for a very, very long time. You got that quick buy up already, got front run, but now probably this time you're going to actually butter on through into that like 1780 level, and if not lower. So just be aware of that moving forward. If you get that open and close above 1840 again, a 4 hour above 1840 or 1850, I would be looking for those higher numbers at 1880 and beyond. But until that 4-hour open and close occurs above 1850, 1860, I'm not looking for anything, and I'll just wait for us to roll down into 1770, 1780 for support consolidation proven, and then you can long scalp it back up, making a very big inverse head and shoulder here. Even though there's a head and shoulder here, it looks like a fake out to come test this and then probably roll on up. You're basically just testing your previous consolidation level, which is this blue EMA, which is around low 1800s. I know the blue EMA is important, but I would use the 200 because no one even, like 99% of people don't know what this blue EMA is. I mean, there's only pros that know this. So the pros are going to probably overshoot this or front run this level. That's why you got that front run. That's one time you get that. I mean, more than likely, this level is going to become weaker and weaker, and you're going to probably push on down underneath it, maybe even wick a little bit lower than the 200. And then once we claim above the 200, that's when the party starts for the reversal. So just be aware that this blue EMA has given us 50 support bounces until it finally broke here, and then it claimed it back up, and now you're getting support on it again. So why not take that gift as it's given it to you? All right, well, I mean, aside from that, guys, it's Thursday. Be careful. We got earnings still coming out tomorrow. Oh, also not ECB, Bank of England increased interest rates today. So that will also play an effect on Dixie with the role of euro and the dollar strength. So be aware of all of that moving forward. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you could leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, I would greatly appreciate it. Aside from that, if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Have a great day. Trade safe. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.